Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to wash delicate clothes in the washing machine. These will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. I will be going over 4 things that you should keep in mind when it comes to washing delicate clothes in your washing machine. Really simple things, and if you keep these things in mind and you utilize them, then your delicate clothes will have a much better chance at being washed properly and lasting a longer time. Because obviously with delicate clothes, you don't want, any damage being done to them or anything negative being done to them when they are being washed, okay? At the end of the day, washing machines are great, but when you wash your clothes many times, they're more likely to have some wear and tear on them, plain and simple. And with that being said, when you're dealing with delicate clothes, you want to take extra care and extra caution so that you minimize the wear and tear on them to the point where hopefully it is like little to no wear and tear at all. And if you utilize these 4 things, they can help you reduce and minimize that wear and tear to as much as possible. All right, so without further ado, we're going to start off at number 1. Number 1 is choose a delicate cycle. So very simple. You're going to have a cycle selection option on your washing machine, and you can see delicates is over here. So I can just simply turn this right over there to delicates, and I would be choosing the delicate option. Okay, so choose a delicate cycle. That's number 1. Moving on to number 2. Number 2 is cold water. You want to adjust the temperature of the water to be cold. Now over here, I can adjust the temperature of the water by pressing that button over there. And if I push temp over there, it'll change the temperature and I could make it cold water. Cold water is just better in terms of reducing the wear and tear on clothing for a couple of different reasons, which I won't get into now, but cold water is just a better option when it comes to washing delicate clothes, plain and simple. Moving on to number 3. Number 3 is use a gentle detergent. So in there's a drawer that can be pulled out. That's where you put the detergent. Gentle detergents are formulated to be a little bit more gentle on your clothes. So if you're dealing with delicate clothes, definitely you should be looking towards a gentle detergent. Now, if your delicate clothes are massively stained, that's a different story. You might want to use a sort of regular detergent to get those stains out, or you might want to sort of, use something on that exact stained spot to get that stain out. But if they're not stained and you're just washing them regularly, then definitely using a gentle detergent is a key factor. Moving on to the last one for this video tutorial, number 4. Number 4 is a low spin speed. So you can change, you'll likely be able to change the spin speed on your washer. And when you're changing the spin speed, you want to go to low spin speed. When the washer spins faster, okay, a faster spin speed will drain the washer better, will sort of reduce the amount of moisture and water on the clothing. But like I said, you're being a little bit harsher with the clothes. So by choosing a low spin speed, you're not draining the clothes as well, and they're probably going to come out wetter in general than if they were on a fast spin speed. However, the low spin speed, even though they're coming out wetter and they're not draining as well, essentially it's going to be a little bit easier and more gentle on the clothes, which is especially important when you are dealing with delicates. So yeah, low spin speed. If you have the option to choose a spin speed, choose a low spin speed. And that's basically it. Those 4 things, when you use them together, if you use as many of them as possible and using them together, will allow you to hopefully wash your delicate clothes in the best way possible and minimize and reduce the wear and tear as much as you possibly can on those delicate clothes. And it's that simple. You gotta wash your clothes at the end of the day. You gotta put them in the washer. You gotta use the washer. Washers are great. They're amazing and they do a great job of washing your clothes. But you want to make sure you reduce the wear and tear on that clothing as much as possible, especially when it comes to delicates. And those 4 things are exactly how you do it. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I've got nothing else to say, so we're gonna roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.